Okay, here's the last video right before spring break. Still doing elimination. We want the x's to line up, the y's to line up, equal signs, and the constant. So I need to look at this second equation because I don't have the x's and the y's on both sides. So I'm going to add 16y to both sides. I have no idea why this big eraser thing is on my pen, but I'm just going to let it go. Okay, alphabetical order. X is first, Y second, equal sign, constant. The equation I haven't dealt with is the one here at the top. The problem with that one is I don't have X's and then Y's. I have Y's then X's. So I'm just going to switch the order. I'm not moving things to the other side. I'm just switching the order. The X's were negative, the Y's were positive. I'm just rearranging. It's just like 5 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 5. I just switched them around. Now everything's lined up. I want to see if I have the same number in front of one of my variables with different signs. You can see in front of the X's, I have -3's, but they're not opposite in sign. So if I added, nothing would be eliminated. That wouldn't be helpful. So I want to get the opposite sign, so I'm going to take this first equation, multiply the whole thing by -1. Usually I put it over here on the left, but it wouldn't fit. So that's all three terms, even the 33's. This becomes a negative times a negative is a positive 3x, negative 16y, and negative 33. That's awesome because now if I add these together, I get the x's to drop off, and this becomes negative 5y equals negative 15. And I can certainly solve that one-step equation easily to get y is equal to 3. Once I know that, I can go into any of the equations that have two variables. It doesn't matter which one I pick. And I plug in for when y is 3. So I'm going to go up here to this first equation. 11 times 3 minus 3x equals 18. That's 33 minus 3x equals 18. Subtract 33. And I get negative 3x equals negative 15. And then I get x is equal to 5. And then my final step would be to write it as an ordered pair. X first, Y second. Again, 11 times 3 is 33, minus 3 times 5 with the X value is 15. 33 minus 15 is 18 in this top equation. And then the second one, negative 3 times 5 is negative 15 for the left. And negative 16 times 3, the y value is negative 48, plus 33 is negative 15. So I know I'm right. I always love these problems because I can tell if I'm right or not. All right, you just have a short Google form for your assignment, and then you are to enjoy your spring break. I miss you terribly, and I will see you hopefully after spring break. Maybe I'll do a Google Classroom, Google Meet tomorrow, which is, I guess, today for you. Bye-bye.